Hi guys, it's me, Max LVR. Today we're gonna be checking out the new update, and just do that.
I'm
Mommy.
raising my hand. If you want to help me with it. Yes, the fuck you.
Are we?
Can't see.
Stop.
Better
So happy.
now.
Stop.
Take me by the hand. It'll be better again. Better now.
Does anyone have bombs?
Who here knows about the Dawn Dish Soap song?
Leave, little kid that has a sword. You that's a game.
Well,
Go.
to come
Someone
and
said,
on
they
day
gave to
evil
you.
dub.
Chat, does anyone have one bomb?
Dish Soap
Literally
ad.
one bomb.
Yo, guys, who wants to be spammed a Dawn Dish Soaps ad? Yo, whoever lets me spam them a whoever lets me spam them a Dawn Dish Soap ad will get 10,000 bucks.
Me, I do. Hey, I'm behind you.
Let me scream in your
200.
ear for an
You
hour
know,
straight.
200 is
Dawn
not
Dish
a
Soap
lot.
song.
Yep.
All right, we got ourselves a deal.
No, we both put enough back protection. No, wait, but
What's this?
let me see if you put enough back
Propeller.
protection.
Put the yellow block. Yum yum yum.
Anyone named Richard in this
Who here has everything in the game? Like pillow
Oh, I
plants
own
and
everything
stuff.
in the game.
I need pillow plants and cotton storage. Can you stop eating me? I'm just a poor little ducky. Nah, bro,
Does anyone have a bomb? Does anyone have bombs? You have a bomb?
Who's asking if I'm Snake Eyes?
Who's asking? Does anyone have a bomb?
Me? Yo, guys, who here has
You have a bomb?
cotton plants and cotton storage?
It's you, Bryson.
Because I'm trying to make a Bed Wars map.
Does anyone have a bomb?
Can anyone help me with my Bed Wars map?
No way.
Quick, game.
I'll help you with your bedwars map.
Bro, do you got cotton plants and cotton storage, mate?
Oh, no, not really.
Does anyone here have cotton plants and cotton storage, mate? Bye, boing, boing.
Sausage.
Oh,
Oh,
don't bring me
table.
down. Down, down.
I'm gonna rebuild the table.
Yo, what's up, man? Making a table.
I'm just rebuilding. I'm rebuilding the table.
Yo, who here owns cotton plants and cotton storage?
It's probably gonna get greased.
Yeah, it happens.
Don't bring me down. Yo, Mr. Night Galaxy,
Hey, no.
do you have cotton plants and
It's supposed
cotton
to be the same
storage?
color. No, that's not the same color.
Matt Cam.
I said same color.
I'm
Mr. Matt Cam.
I'm a banana.
I'm gonna riz your yacht.
Okay.
Fireworks.
I know.
Wait.
Yo, who here owns this stuff? The cotton plants and the cotton storage.
That was like a long time ago.
Why did it have to be now? We can just rebuild the sky base.
Don't make it a sky base and I won't take it down.
No.
Oh, no, I don't want to be
Guys,
getting
trust me to take
underwater, bye-bye.
I'll get up.
I had to rip my legs off. It was so painful.
That's my job.
what?
Don't worry about it.
Okay,
Ouchies.
I'm gonna worry
That's
about
it.
it.
I'm gonna touch
be
you. And yes, I
quiet.
mean it that way.
I need both.
Hi.
Can you please help me? Matt Cam, why? Why'd you
No!
do that?
I already lost all my cotton.
Hold on.
Bro, if you don't like it, then don't look.
Smash
Oh, I put
Yeah, I
my
think I went too far.
What?
I mean,
yeah.
wait,
I just really realized.
Can you help me
Hey.
build? That's not very easy.
Wee! I'm up here. I promise, I'm not griefing. I'm important. I mean, I'm making a video.
Yeah, if I don't miss
Yo,
Well,
do you
how
have all
about-
these?
How about you capture this in your video?
Matt Cam.
No, no, no!
That chicken!
I'm gonna Fortnite your ring. I'm gonna blow.
I'm reporting the chicken! Report the chicken!
I'm going to.
Hey, don't report no chicken. He was the one who made that skybase.
He destroyed
You
it!
just set him flying already.
Yeah, because he can destroy his own
He
skybase.
did that! No, I just made him eat it.
I can dodge
No,
bombs.
I-
Oh shit.
I
Yo, Matt,
I am the
can you
one who made
help me
this.
with my
Guys,
private,
I didn't
please?
even-
I friended you.
Hi, bro. I never seen someone with that pack in a while.
Thank you. Yo, who else
This
wants to
was my
join
first
us
pack.
in making my
I
Bed
started
Wars
with
map?
this pack.
Oh, hello.
Okay, you can join.
Yeah,
Where even are you?
Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
It's the evil duck.
I can't find the evil duck.
For what?
Say
Oh no.
The evil duck.
Say
Whee!
Yo, Matt Cam, did you
Why is
add
it so scary? Oh, please! Oh! Oh, come on.
Timothy.
Matt,
I got this.
set my friend
I
request. Take me by
Yo.
the hand. I'm gonna tickle you.
Anybody want to record a video? I already am recording a video.
I have a skybase that's really
rate my-
big. Do you want to
Real
see
quick,
it?
can you?
Can you
rate
raise
guy?
my yacht,
I guess
please?
so. Why not?
Matt
Alright, let's
Cam, hold on. Weren't you helping me with my private? We have to wait for Matt Cam. Ooh.
Anybody here know where Bluest to the lab rat is?
Says I don't have permission.
Mystic's private world. He keeps saying I don't have permission.
Oh, I gotta wait for him to
Just
go in.
open and close the lobby. Open and close it. That's because it's not glitchy. Okay, I'm gonna try now.
Is it inside of one of these rooms? Okay. What? Whoa! This is ginormous! Holy! Is this how you get up? Wait, there's 3 levels? No way! How did you do this? Oh. Wait. Can you? Wait! That's fun. Okay, this is sick. Where do you start? Wait, get on the sled. Thank you. No, get. Thank you. It's Mario Kart! Okay, we're going fast. Oh, come on. And how many times has this got griefing? Been getting griefed. Let me in. I don't really know where to go. Wait, who's that? Oh, did you leave? Mario Kart! Ooh! Seconds. I'm starting to get better.